Here is how to pin apps and websites to the Windows 11 taskbar. Method 1. Pin an app from the Start menu. Open Start and scroll down to the app you want. Right-click it, then choose Pin to Taskbar. The icon now lives on your taskbar, even after a restart. Method 2. Pin an app from Windows Search. Click Search and type the app's name. Right-click the best match, then choose Pin to Taskbar. Windows adds the icon straight away. Method 3. Pin an app that is already open. If the app is already open, right-click its icon on the taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar. It stays put after you close it. Please like and subscribe if any of these methods have helped so far. Method 4. Pin an app by dragging from File Explorer. In File Explorer, find the app's program file or a desktop shortcut. Drag it toward the taskbar and release when the Pin to Taskbar tooltip appears. You can pin websites too, not just apps. Method 1. Pin a website using Microsoft Edge. In Edge, open the menu, go to More Tools, and choose Pin to Taskbar. From then on, the site is one click away. Method 2. Pin a website using Google Chrome. In Chrome, open the three-dot menu, choose Cast, Save, and Share, then Create Shortcut. Tick Open as Window and click Create. Then right-click its new taskbar icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. That's 6 ways to pin apps and websites to the taskbar. For more Windows tips, visit our website.